Welcome to Codeza Technologies. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, we are going to install Laravel step by step. Laravel is a modern PHP framework used to build secure, powerful, and professional web applications faster and more efficiently. In this tutorial, we will install PHP, Composer, Node.js, create a Laravel project, open it in VS Code, and termin.
First, install PHP on your computer. After installation, open your terminal and type php-v. Next, install Composer. Composer is the dependency manager for PHP, and it is required to create and manage JS. Laravel uses Node and NPM for front-end assets, Vite, CSS, and JavaScript compilation. After installing the requirements, create a new Laravel project using Composer. This command will download Laravel and project. Once the project is created, open it in Visual Studio Code. Here you can see the main Laravel project. Run the project, open the terminal and type php artisan serve. Laravel will start a local development server. Let's quickly recap. We installed PHP, Composer, Node.js, created a Laravel project, opened it in VS Code. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Codeza Technologies for more beginner-friendly software development tutorials.